With Valentine's Day on the way, you know I had to come through with that old Hollywood glam slay. Make sure you stay tuned because trust me, it only gets better. So today I'm trying out OMGHERHAIR. If you have purchased from them, definitely let me know your comments below. But the packaging is pretty impressive. I'm loving the little satin satchel that the unit comes in, and they offered some, goodies for the little wig. So I'm definitely feeling it. Now, when you take the unit out of the satin case, this is what it looks like. Now, be careful. This is before we co-wash. That's important because it's going to look very different in a few. But this is a 360 lace wig. So there are wefts in the center and full lace around the perimeter. But again, like I said, this is the hair after co-washing. The curls have fully relaxed. It is 20 inches in length. And it's more so like a body wave vibe. What do y'all think? Now this unit has a pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots, but of course I still like to go in and do a little bit of customization, nothing too heavy. Again, I want to see what they're working with. Now I wanted a nice side part. Okay, are y'all getting tired of the left side part? Definitely let me know, but I wanted something deep, something sultry, perfect for, the lover's holiday. So I'm going in to really perfect this curved sort of C-shaped part. And I went in to do a little bit of plucking just to make sure that it pops and it looks super realistic. Now we're taking things up a notch, so make sure you are locked in. So I'm taking my blow dryer on the hot setting. It's pretty high, and I'm going to use this to lay the hairline down, okay? This is a step that, I said, let me try this first to slick it down. And then, of course, I'm going to go in and work a little bit of magic. And this is how you really get to see what your pre-plucked hairline looks like. And then with the wax stick provided by OMGHERHAIR, I went in to just slick the hair down, okay? We're going in. This is old Hollywood glam. I'm trying to give a little bit of a vibe, with a little bit of a modern edge. But we're going to take it a step further and we're going to pull out that hot comb because you know what? We do magic here. And we slick things down. This is for the people who want a very neat, very clean, very flat hairline, okay? No hump action near the parting space. This is it. I'm giving you the gems. It's up to you to apply it, sis. Now for the wig install, okay? I already trimmed the lace near my ears. Again, this is a 360 lace wig, so you're gonna have to cut all of the lace around the unit, okay? Especially if you want to wear it up, because that is an option. And of course, I'm going in the center to trim and remove the lace. I'm cutting extremely close to the hairline because I want a flawless meltdown. I want it to be practically undetectable. Now for that type of look, I'm using two products. These are my faves. And someone asked me so how do you know which products to use? Honestly, the clear gel is bomb. It melts perfectly. I find that with the water resistant Got To Be Glue gel, it sort of has this white residue and I don't always be feeling it. But these products allow for a flawless meltdown and practically little to no white residue. And again, being neat is super important, so always clean up any excess product. But I'm always going to be switching up the products that I use for my wig install, because sometimes it gets a little bit messy and I like to experiment, and sometimes you get tired of using the same thing. So if I'm using it, trust me, it works. But honestly, I'm always looking for that flawless install. And this could last me anywhere from like 3 to 4 days before having to reapply. Now, you know, old Hollywood glam, you know, we don't have, you know, the Olympic swimmers on the hairline, okay? We don't. We do subtle adult swoops, okay? You don't want to be excessive. How do y'all feel I did with the little swoops, you know, subtle? I do about 2 to 3 at most, and we're done. So for this look, I definitely wanted to define the curls, even though they are a little bit more of like a wavy, kind of loose wave look. Definitely still super gorgeous, but you need the right product. So the hair had dried down a bit, so I went in to mist it with some water. Highly recommend applying mousse on damp hair. And this is the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Curl Enhancing Mousse. This is the firm hold or extra firm hold. And trust me, it's going to feel a little bit interesting on the hands, but when it dries down, it works very well. This definitely defines the curls, and look how like a satin finish it applies to the hair. It looks nourished. The curls are defined. Just give me a minute. You know, you got to come through with the detangling brush to really distribute the product, and then the magic starts to happen. Now this is 180% density. It's giving me like 150%, especially once you co-wash it. So I do wish there were a bit more volume. However, I am applying mousse, so I know that can sort of clump the curls together, especially coupled with the fact that I'm using a detangling brush. So if you want more volume, maybe apply less mousse and don't go so, you know, hard with the detangling brush. But you could also do like a comb out once you apply the mousse after it's like dried down a bit. I hope y'all get what I'm saying. But I definitely feel like this is true to length. Again, I wish it were a bit more density. And of course, I had to go in and define that part. And honestly, this was a very easy install, and this is how it should be. Now, for this unit, I know curling this would be bomb. So y'all will probably see this again. I added a little bit of jojoba oil just to soften that hold from the mousse. And girl, I feel cute and I'm ready for Valentine's Day, and you can't tell me anything otherwise. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in the next one. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, share this with your homeboys and your homegirls, and meet me in the comment section.